All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. Now, I'm pretty excited about this matchup coming up. So what I got right here in front of me is a brand new car on the channel. This right here is a 2023 Nissan GTR. Now, this one is tastefully modified. He is on upgraded turbos. These are from Spray It Racing. They are 53 millimeters with full supporting mods, running on E85. The owner is right now on a map that's making 770 wheel horsepower. And he's a full weight car. And he's going to be running up against the 2017 Mercedes C63 AMG. Now, many of you guys who've been following the channel have already seen this car several times. This is the one that's on upgraded pure 1000 turbos with downpipes and intakes and upgraded fuel system, running on E50, and he's making 800 wheel horsepower. Now, these cars, I believe they weigh very, very similar, somewhere around the 38 to 3,900 pounds. So I'm pretty excited to see what the results will be with these two cars. So both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So I'm here in the GTR. And the first race we're going to do with the AMG is going to be from 50 miles an hour. I guess speed up and slow down. We'll speed up 2 times. All right, hold on. Close your window. Let me know when you're ready. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Wow, that Benz is moving. How fast you get to when you let off? 140? 150. 150. Man, that Benz is moving good. Guys, so we are finished here. We were gonna do a 60 roll for the AMG if the GTR won, and unfortunately for you GTR fans, we couldn't beat them with our 50 roll, but it is what it is. The AMG is fast. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Later.